Hello everyone. Welcome to Rajendra Ravi Automobile Support. In today's training session, we will learn the fundamentals of store management. Whether you are a storekeeper, store supervisor, store manager, spare parts coordinator, or a diploma automobile engineering student, this training will help you understand how a professional store operates. A well-managed store ensures white heavy check mark right part, white heavy check mark right quantity, white heavy check mark right time, white heavy check mark right cost. If store management fails, the entire workshop suffers from delays, shortages, and increased costs. Let's begin our store management training course. What is store management? Store management is the process of receiving materials, storing materials, issuing materials, tracking inventory, maintaining records. The main objective is to ensure that required materials are available whenever needed. Think of the store as the heart of the workshop. Just like the heart supplies blood to the body, the store supplies parts and materials to the workshop. Without a proper store system, mechanics wait for parts. Machines remain idle. Customers become unhappy. Company loses money. That is why store management is extremely important. Role of a store manager. Now let's understand the role of a store manager. A store manager is responsible for inventory control, material receiving, material issuing, safety management, documentation, supplier coordination, reporting to management. A professional store manager must ensure every item has a location, every movement has a document, every stock balance is accurate. Remember this golden rule. If it is not recorded, it did not happen. Store organization structure. A professional store usually has 3 levels. Store manager, responsible for planning, budgeting, reporting, and overall control. Store supervisor, responsible for daily operations, staff management, and inventory accuracy. Storekeeper, responsible for receiving, storing, picking, and issuing materials. Each role is important. When all 3 work together, store operations become efficient. Daily store activities. Let's look at the daily activities of a professional store. Activity 1. Receiving materials. When materials arrive, verify quantity, check quality, compare with purchase order, prepare goods receipt note. Activity 2. Storage. Store items in designated locations. Use labels and bin numbers. Activity 3. Material issue. Issue materials only against authorized requests. Prepare material issue note. Activity 4. Inventory monitoring. Check stock levels regularly. Identify low stock items. Activity 5. Housekeeping. Keep the store clean and organized. A clean store is a safe store. Inventory control basics. Inventory control means managing stock efficiently. There are 3 important concepts. Fast-moving items. Examples: oil filters, fuel filters, lubricants. Keep these items near the issue counter. Slow-moving items. Examples: special bearings, engine sensors. Store these in secondary locations. Non-moving items. Items with no movement for more than 1 year. These items occupy valuable space and capital. Conduct regular reviews and remove obsolete inventory. Remember, inventory is money sitting on shelves. Important store documents. Every store must maintain proper documentation. Purchase requisition, PR. Request for purchasing materials. Purchase order, PO. Official order sent to supplier. Goods receipt note, GRN. Proof that materials were received. Material issue note, minute. Proof that materials were issued. Stock register. Record of all inventory movements. These documents create accountability and help during audits. Always remember: no document, no transaction. Store safety basics. Safety is a major responsibility. Follow these rules. Keep aisles clear. Store heavy items on lower shelves. Use proper lifting techniques. Wear safety shoes and gloves. Maintain fire extinguishers. Keep emergency exits accessible. Safety protects people, inventory, equipment, business operations. Conclusion. Today we learned: white heavy check mark. What is store management? White heavy check mark. Role of store manager. White heavy check mark. Store organization. White heavy check mark. Daily store activities. White heavy check mark. Inventory control basics. White heavy check mark. Important documents. White heavy check mark. Safety requirements. In the next training session, we will learn inventory management, FIFO, ABC analysis, reorder point calculation, and safety stock management. If you found this training useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Rajendra Ravi Automobile Support. Thank you for watching. See you in the next training video. A place for everything, and everything in its place. Have a great day. Tractor package bar chart.